Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order pictures on a canvas in the Yolobook application. First of all, enter to the app, then scroll all the way down. You can see the Yolo canvas option here, press on it, and you can see that there are 4 versions presented to you here. The first has 4 pictures in it and the text option, the second 4 pictures, and the other 2 has 1 pictures with different dimensions. Now it's up to taste basically and opinion which one you want to choose. I will select the first one and proceed with the order. And now you have to select the 4 pictures that you want to have in your canvas. Proceed to the next step. Let's close this, and here you can write something exactly in the middle of your 4 picture. I'm just going to write something random. Then you can press on the picture to edit basically any of your pictures if you really want to, like crop it, rotate, scale your pictures if you need to. I scale it a little bit, this one, just to show you how to do it. And then press confirm when everything is done. And the last step is basically the payment. You should press the next button down here, and then all the payment steps are beginning basically, which is just one step. So that will be the video. I hope it was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.